Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I have a couple things I need to do. Indeed. I'm going to put the Frankenstein joystick away. I'm going to put it. Eventually, it's going to go in the box of good things, because it is a good thing. And I was going through the other room, and I found some things. I was like, oh, I wonder what this is. And I know what it is, but I don't know what it is, if you know what I mean. So this is something. Ooh, it's got a long cord. It can go outside, and it's a light. But it's not just a light. Kind of dusty. It spins, and it does things. And I don't remember. Oh, wait a second. It's coming to life. Oh, it's a little noisy. And I don't know if you can see that or not. Probably not. But it is. Give it a little whack. Maybe I will shine it up a bit. Anyway, I guess the idea is that you put it outside. Or I suppose it could go inside. And it is to celebrate the Toronto Blue Jays. But it's not sounding. Oh, it's going. There, it's moving better. Anyway, yeah, I mean, you can't really see, but it's funky there. Ooh. It's not making so much noise, and it is spinning. I wonder how I turn it off. Oh, okay, I push the button and it goes off. Then I push the button and it goes on. Maybe because it's so bright in here. Well, I guess it's all right. I don't know what. It's like, it looks all right. Well, interesting. Maybe just to keep it sort of warmed up here, get it used to working again, get a little stuff going through. I'll just lay it there and let it work. Work. Now, there was another thing I found there. A while ago, I got a cool thing, and here's a charger from Belkin. But does it work? I don't know. I know I had another one of these, and it didn't work. So, what I'm gonna do, is reach over here. This is my microphone. Well, one of the, I lost the, no. I have worked so hard never to lose these little things there. Anyway, Belkin thing. I'm gonna plug this in and see if the microphone lights up. And it does. Cool. All right, well, that's a good start. Now, I'll put that back in the charger I've had it in. And then I'm going to grab this thing, which once again, we won't be able to see all that well because it's bright in here. But it's good to know if things are working. And yeah, this is a little kind of a plasma ball thing. And indeed, it's working. So I'm going to leave that sitting there to work. The microphone is charged. These buttons that were on my other hat, they're all yellowed. I'm going to find a spot, even though it's winter. I'm going to put them in a window and see even if the winter sunlight will do anything good for them. We'll see. Now, what else did... Oh, yes, hang on. Before I forget. I do not need the joystick, but I did in the other room. Oh, look, it's another charger. Now, this charger is kind of funky in that it can go in the car or it can go in a wall. Da-da-da, or, a power bar. So, I'll never run out of plugs until I do. So, I am going to stick this in to a 120 thing. Okay, it lights up. Now, it has on it a cord, and I'm not sure. Oh, the cord looks a little wonky, but it's working. So that is encouraging. There was also another couple of cords here. And really, if they're working, great. And if they're not working, then they can go. This one, I would like to think it works. It's all fabric and stiff and tough. And it seems to be. How beautiful. And then finally, there's another. These are all cords that fit an iPhone with a USB port thing. Now, grab the right end, grab the right one, plug it in. I didn't hear it make any noises. Oh, okay. So this is one. I think this one can go. It's somewhat broken inside. And actually, I'm just going to toss it out the door. Because if it's somewhat broken inside, well, it might work in an emergency. It's one of those things that, well, you really need it. Oh, unlock. Now, is this one charging? I don't know. Try again. Well, the phone, here's the funny thing. The phone's at 100%. This accessory may not be dismissed. Oh, this phone seems a little temperamental. Dismiss. You know what? It may be time. This one's kind of dirty, yellowed, and such. And recently, I have got some replacements that I trust more. So I think maybe I can go. For people that say I don't get rid of things, there, I got rid of something. Now, I'm going to plug this back in. This that I think should be a better one. I'll try and plug it in. So, are we having charger issues? That's funny because it worked before. Is the charger wonky? I don't know. Or maybe the cord is. Hang on. I've got another here that I know is on a good charger. Immediately comes to life. I'm going to try this in the Belkin charger. I'm going to pull this out and see what's what. I'm not adverse. And it works. So I'm wondering, is it the charger that's having issues? Because it worked perfectly. Well, okay. Because these two things seem to work well together, I will leave them together. Now that's funny. This thing has little, it kind of bends over a bit, but that doesn't help much. So, this can go in the magic drawer. That never seems to get full. And this is just the little light here. See, it's not that I don't think this works. Yeah, no, that's working. All right. So, we're good. So I'm trying to actually get this table cleared off. As I always do. Here is another little Bluetooth speaker. Also handy. It's funny, it has this cable here. Aux. Oh, I can turn this off, I guess. I wonder, is this an auxiliary in? Oh, you know what this might be for? Old phones. Such as this iPhone here. They have earphones. Or plugs. They do. If I could just get it in here. And then turn this on. And then see if this makes any noises through the speaker. It might. Alright, or it might not. Oh, it is. That is good to know. Alright, you know what I think I'm going to do? I'm going to undo this. I was wondering what that's for that. And go in the recycling. Maybe I will leave these connected. I betcha. I wonder if it works on calls. I don't know. This thing supposedly has a microphone in it. Supposedly it does. Interesting. Alright, let's go to my channel. Certainly it still plays the ads. there I am. I'm your host. I've been into Commodore computers since high school, which would be 1979. So I wasn't quite in at the very start, but close to it. And what do I do here? Well, I have a lot of pets. I have a lot of 64s. I have a lot of big phones. I have Amigas, 128. All right. I think I will leave these two attached for the moment. I've kind of retired this phone, but this makes it more intriguing to revive it in some way. It does. I'll have to test it on calls. All right. So, also, I'm gathering up things that don't work. These do not work. But I need to find another box. Wait, no, I have a box here. What am I saying? I have a box. There. Things that don't work. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Anyway, I did get some other stuff from the world of Commodore that I might like to check out. Yes, indeed. Hello, the world of Commodore. Yes, the world of Commodore withheld at the Admiral Inn. Wahaha. Well, I turned. There we are. I turned the reverb down. Anyway, I think it's time to move on. Time to move some things off the desk. And we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.